In the digital age, artificial intelligence is transforming cybersecurity, but is it making us safer or exposing us to greater risks? AI has revolutionized cybersecurity, helping organizations detect threats faster and predict attacks before they happen. AI-driven firewalls, automated threat intelligence platforms, and AI-powered endpoint security are just a few examples. However, the same AI capabilities that strengthen cybersecurity are also being weaponized by cybercriminals. Emerging threats include deepfake attacks, AI-powered phishing, and automated hacking techniques. We're witnessing an AI arms race as governments, corporations, and security experts develop new tools to counter threats. Notable case studies include DARPA's Cyber Grand Challenge and OpenAI's cyber defense models. Despite its capabilities, AI can face limitations, such as biases in data and over-reliance on automation. Key limitations include bias in AI models and adversarial attacks manipulating detection systems. The future of cybersecurity includes AI working alongside human experts for better outcomes. Future trends focus on explainable AI, AI and blockchain integration, and quantum AI in cybersecurity. Is AI destroying cybersecurity? It's both a powerful tool and a potential threat in this ongoing cyber war. What do you think? Will AI ultimately save or destroy cybersecurity? Let us know in the comments.